Here we are on the 13th Wednesday night session of the season. I didn't mention it before, but my team finished in first place for the first quarter in this league. As for my personal progress, I think I'm in a good position to reach most of my goals by the end of the quarter. The only goal that I'm concerned about reaching within that time frame is single pin spares. But with more than half of the season to go, I feel like even that goal is still very attainable to reach by the end of the season.
He's heating up! He's on fire! Boom shakalaka!
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Game 1 started out a little rough because I wasn't getting the motion I wanted on the left lane out of the ball that I started with. I switched balls after the third frame and slightly slowed my speed down. Those seem to have been the right changes. I've gotten much better at making equipment changes after a few frames of not seeing the results I want. There was a time when I would have struggled all game with the ball I started with. I may have gotten a little too slow in the 10th frame though.
ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I began missing my target a little to the left during the second half of Game 2. I finally made an adjustment in the 10th frame and got back to the pocket, but I ended up getting an unlucky 7-10 split. Although I feel like my score doesn't reflect it because of some unlucky breaks in the 10th frames of both the first two games, I've been bowling pretty good since I made the ball change in Game 1. Since that ball change, I've gotten several consecutive strikes, and I haven't missed a non-split spare.
A 10! A 10! A fucking 10!
One, two, three, four, five.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Due to a few critical splits during this series, I don't think that my final score is exactly reflective of how well I bowled. I'm happy with my overall performance for the night though. I've made all but one of my non-split spares, and I've gotten out of the red for another one of my end of quarter goals. I hope to continue to bowl at least this well for the remainder of the quarter. If I can do that, I may be able to achieve all of my current goals by the end of the quarter.